it's multi-platform, so we're not tied to a platform in particular, so we can release the game on multiple platforms, on multiple consoles and PCs if you want. So for instance, it will not die with the PlayStation 4, it will survive the PlayStation 4, so we can have Atom Universe released on PlayStation 4 and PC and carry on the PlayStation 5 possibly, or Xbox One, or you name it. It's not tied to a particular hardware, which is the beauty of having an engine that's multi-platform like Unreal. Another thing I wanted to say about Unreal is it's actually the best engine for virtual reality and augmented reality. Basically we have tried multiple engines, Unity being quite a good contender as well, but clearly Unreal has the lead in terms of what you can achieve with VR. We're also talking with Leap Motion, who are doing hand tracking, so you can sort of use your hands as a controller. And again, that's something that's built into Unreal at the moment, so they are always ahead of the game in terms of hardware integration, and so they're kind of more future-proof, we feel. So time and time again we're proven right, so we continue in that direction, and we think that using that technology we can build a world that will outlive every all the current gen consoles effectively.
Yes, in terms of supporting VR experience, we'd like to focus on particular games which will be compatible and providing the best experience for VR. So like roller coaster, shooting gallery, driving a car or a plane. This particular experience will be very good with VR headsets on PC and PlayStation 4. You mentioned hand tracking things. We have a really interesting ideas how to implement it in the game. For example, as a one of unique selling points for our game, we have 3D UI almost everywhere in the game. And
it's all holographic, effectively.
Yes, and for example, on PlayStation 4, when you need access to keyboard, for example, so instead of just plugging in a new keyboard or bringing up a standard PlayStation 4 menu for entering keys, we can provide a 3D holographic keyboard, which will work nicely with hand tracking devices like Leap Motion. So you can basically type on virtual keyboard to send text messages.
And even more so with a virtual reality headset, you don't see your hands, so you can't type on a keyboard with a VR headset,
right?
Which is a technical problem that people start thinking about. And one solution would be to track your hands, so you can have like a holographic keyboard that appears in space in front of you, and you just type with your hands naturally on the keyboard.
Yes, sounds good. It's quite interesting. Another interesting aspect of hand tracking, we can support this particular input in games. So it can be used for a steering wheel. It can be used
games.
It can be used even in a virtual environment, like pushing things, grabbing things in the world.